Our crew is at the scene of troubling breaking news tonight. A small plane has crashed, then burst into flames. This happened just about 2 hours ago near Santa Fe's airport.
Our Nathan O'Neill has rushed to the scene, joins us live now with the latest details. Nathan.
Yeah, well, airport authorities tell us that a single-engine aircraft crashed out here tonight as it was approaching the runway here at the Santa Fe Regional Airport. I'll step out of the way real quick so you can see the scene here. We have multiple agencies out here investigating. You can see all of those flashing lights. We have state police, we have the Santa Fe sheriffs, and also the fire department out here as well. Now, I want to bring in one of the witnesses who actually saw this happen. Gabriel, you live not too far down from here. What did you see?
I was sitting in my living room. I heard a pop come right up over my house. I looked out and I see the plane going down. And right as I look out, the plane hit the ground. I saw the explosion. So I actually ran out there to see if there was anything I could do. And there was just fire everywhere, plane parts everywhere.
You told me earlier that you were calling out.
Yes, I was calling out to see if anybody was all right, if anybody needed help. I didn't get any answers.
Having this happen so close to your home, what went through your head as you saw this?
My kids, mostly. I was worried about them. It happened literally pretty much right in my backyard, so I was really worried about them.
Thank you so much for your time, Gabriel. We appreciate it. It is worth noting here, we are still working to figure out information about the pilot in this scenario and whether there were any passengers. It is also unknown at this point the condition of the pilot or any potential passengers. We're going to continue to work on getting that information for you. In the meantime, NTSB is heading out here to the scene to start its investigation as well. Reporting live tonight in Santa Fe, Nathan O'Neill, KOB Eyewitness News 4.